Okay, so now that we've successfully run our application, I want to quickly show you the crisis detection feature. So to do that, you can go into the backend directory, and then go into services, and then go into crisisdetection.py. So here you'll basically see 3 severity tiers, so critical, high, and then moderate, with different keywords and such. If you need to add or modify keywords, you can just edit these lines. The system returns crisis resources below and formats the response. And this is basically a critical safety feature for users in crisis. But moving on to the main content for this tutorial, which is document management, we basically want to learn how we're going to manage documents in NCASC. And these documents are ultimately going to be the knowledge base that powers the chatbot. So first you want to open the backend directory again, and then go to config, and then you want to go into documents.json. This is your document catalog. Each entry basically has metadata like the title, the topic, subtopic, audience, tags, content type, source, org, and authority level, etc. If you wanted to add a local document, you can copy your document to the data directory. So I'll show you these commands as well, but basically you could run cp and then like your document.pdf, and then backend/data. I'll just type this all out. But again, you can find the commands in the description of the video. In the data, you can see like all of the stuff potentially. And then optionally, you can also create a metadata file. So backend/data/your documents, metadata.json with fields like the topic, title, audience, tags, authority level, etc. So this would look like this. And if you wanted to add like a remote document, you can basically edit the backend/config/documents.json with a new entry. So then you can put in like the link and everything. Here's an example of one with the link. So this one has a source URL. This one does as well. And just for more context, the authority level ranges from 1, which is the highest, to 3, which is the lowest, and this will affect how the system prioritizes information. But yeah, that's it for document management.